All right, we're back. We got a package. This is like a temporary solution to a problem that I think I'm going to have with this Honda Talon. It's the air filter. Ooh, I thought I had that cut. Is my axe not sharp enough? Oh my god. Just when you thought you'd sharpen your axe enough. I got that new super tape. Amateur unboxing. Anyways, I got this issue with the old, receipt here, we'll pull that out of the way. With the dirty air filter situation on these Honda Talons, right? Ooh, got some stickers. Check that out. OEM Cycle. I got a pretty good story with this too, because like, it's an eBay purchase. Yeah, it's the UNI. I just did what everybody else did. The UP-6300 AST two-stage pod with the angle. So it's supposed to have this lighting. I'll open this thing up, take a look at it. So these Talons are notorious for like sucking dirt into the air filter. The air filter is fantastic. It stops all the dirt. Amazing. Problem is the air filters are not exactly what I would say super cheap. And we got an UNI sticker there. We got a warning. What does the warning say? Got to oil it. Make sure to oil it. So what some intrepid internet sleuth figured out is inside the air box. I'll walk you through it. I mean, you might be new to all this. So, I got dirt on my lens? Sorry. So right here is the air intake for the engine. Right there is the front tire. Sometimes front tire kicks dirt, dust goes in here. Inside here, there's a bit of a snorkel. It's about 4 feet in the air. It's a pretty cool design. It's got all these fancy engineered whatevers. Snakes across into here. And inside here is the air box. You could say the dirty air comes underneath and it filters from the bottom side. Anyways, someone figured out there's enough room to stick one of these in. This will catch the dirt that gets in before it gets to your expensive $50 air filter, right? Now, they make particle separators you can put up here that run on power. They got fans, and they're amazing. It's, you know, military helicopter technology. It costs about $500. They make another one that's a passive separator. It costs about $500. Seems like everything with the Talon's $500. One of the other cool ones, I think it's called like an 8010. It's a snorkel kit, and you can kind of just throw this thing up here. You don't have to go into your air box, which that may be probably what I end up doing. But for now, I mean, if you were going to do nothing, you'd be getting into your air box anyways. So we got there's a ring. Let's check that for how quality is that. We got a magnet around here someplace. Hold please. I got a magnet right here. Oh yeah, decent stainless. The bolt is not. That is, but the band is pretty decent. I mean, it's barely. I mean, there's different levels of stainless. I watched some reviews on some guys, and one guy's point was like, all right, so normally the way